leave my shoes on. Why do I still have my shoes on? Okay.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I'm Karen. And if you're returning, hi gems. I am so sorry to keep you all waiting for this video. I'm late. I'm sorry. I know that I posted my Boxycharm unboxing. You guys loved that video. In there, I said I was waiting for my second base box to come because I wanted to see what I was going to get in it, and I wanted to see if I was going to do a giveaway with the Natasha Denona palettes and all that information. So get your coffee because we've got lots to talk about. Lots. There's a lot going on. Okay, so my base box came and it is thicker. But here's what I did before I opened this box. I said, you know what? We did the spoiler videos. I talked to you about, some of you not getting the Natasha Denona palettes when you specifically signed back up for it, and it was driving me insane. And I saw some tweets from you guys, and it was like, I didn't get it. I got skincare and I got this. And I was like, okay. So I went and I was like, let me just pull up an old account. And for the months that I get Boxy Lux, I'll order, because I want all the boxes, I'll order, the box from there. From the different account, and this different account had my skincare. That's basically what I wanted in my boxes on it. It's a different profile. I have a different age on there, everything, all of that. So, and then I put in a code to get a free item as well, because you were able to do that. And then I think they sent you like a $10 off coupon. I don't think I ever got that, but anyhow, so I ordered the $25 a month box. My profile says mostly skincare, and here is the box here, and I have no idea what's in it. So we're going to get down to this. I do know that I chose the toner for a free gift because for signing back up. So let's get in here and see what happens. Now, if you guys have not changed your profile, if it says skincare and you want the makeup, definitely put more makeup. It'll tell you like eyeshadow palettes. Do you want them, often, whatever. Just put very often or whatever, choice they give you there. Okay, so I see the card. We all know that the theme is sweet treats. I'll put the variation number that I have on the screen, and we're going to get into this. Okay, I see the toner. That was my free item, so it should not be listed on here, and it is not listed on here. But this is the Deep Sweep Pharmacy Toner. I already have one of these, so I will be saving this for a giveaway or something like that. But here it is here. I like it. It's a pretty good toner. I do like pharmacy products. So I'm going to put this aside. And the first thing I see after that is, what is this? Kinder Beauty? Kinder Beauty. Let's see what Kinder Beauty says. This palette includes 3 universally flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. Ooh. It doesn't contain talc, and it's supposed to be a buttery formula, practically melts into skin. Okay, so it's compact size. It has a retail value of $15. Okay, I think I've heard of this brand, but I don't think I've used this brand. I know I didn't buy anything from this brand. Let's put it that way. All right, so here we are here. It looks like there's 4 shades in here. The shade names are on the back. This is what the packaging looks like. It is vegan and cruelty-free. Oh, okay. These are supposed to be buttery. Do you want to see them? Let's swatch, shall we? Okay. 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 Here we are. Let's check this out. All right, so let's do it this way. Got the thumb. They are pretty creamy. I don't know about buttery. A little bit maybe. Those are some really pretty shades. I feel like you could get multiple uses out of that for the whole summer. Like the tanner you get, like that's kind of neat. This could only be used, it could most, oh my goodness, I can't talk today. This could most likely be used for a blush as well. That's kind of neat. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Now let's see what else we got in here. Dominique Cosmetics. We have got, oh, it's a lip liner that has an MSRP of $18, and this is in Crush, it says. Okay. Let's see, let's see. Oh, I got this one already, and I love it. I'm going to save it for a giveaway. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Do I have it close by so I can show you guys? So I don't have to swatch this one. Let me see what the bottom looks like. Yes, here it is, baby. Let me put this one back in the box. Alright, here it is here. It's got that angle to it. Oh, I'm loving these colors. Are amazing. Okay, let me put that back. Here it is here. These are creamy, but not too creamy, so they work well when lining the lips. You don't get them everywhere. Okay, now, I told you the price of that, right? $18. Let's see what else we got. Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance. Is it Ampoule or Ampoule? I don't know. It's one of those. But Earth Harbor, give your face illuminating superfood nutrition. I like the sound of that. It's got sea greens, cannabis, sativa hemp oil, grapeseed oil, neem seed extract, a bunch of those. Okay, so this is a serum. The bottle is green. It's for Dewy Luminance. It has a retail value of $32. We'll just like open her up. It's a glass bottle. Oh, it is like the liquid is green. Okay, let me just put a little bit. It looks like an olive green. Definitely feels like a nice hydrating serum. Put these in the skincare fridge. Oh, does wonders. Wonders, wonders, wonder. Any puffiness, whoom, takes it away. Okay, so let's move this aside. Getting down to the nitty gritty. Oh, do not tell me I got those brushes again. The children's brushes, the ones that I feel like that are watercolor paints that look like them. Yeah, that's what this is. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll pull it out. It has a retail value of $48, which is crap. Stop it, Boxycharm. Stop it. Like these? No. I mean, I'll send these to someone. I'm sure you've already seen them. These are not where it just looks like I'm going to go painting with those little watercolor things. Yeah, no. Get over it. Okay, so I have a Natasha Denona palette in here. Yes, I do. And I think it's the one I already got too, the same exact one. It has a $48 value. These are special edition. You guys knew that, right? Oh, they like screwed up putting the sticker on the back. It's all like, here it is here. This has a multiple of different colors from the different palettes that they have. This one actually has 2 colors from the Glam palette, and this is what she look like. So now that I have 2 of these, I will be doing a giveaway. Yay! Are we excited? I'm excited. I'm not going to swatch her, but I did in my other video swatch the Glam palette, so you can see those 2, but these were huge shadows, and I love these. I'll be honest with you though, the last 5-pan eyeshadow palette here, I used it once. Who didn't get one of these? I need to know. Alright, so I'm dying here. You guys, let's recap what I got real quick. I got the free item, which was the toner, and then I got the watercolor paint set. Then I got the highlighter set here. I got the Ampoule or Ampoule by Earth Harbor, and then I got the Dominique Cosmetics lip liner plus the Natasha Denona palette. I will put the total value of this on the screen. Now you want to know, how do you enter my giveaway. Well, you have to be here. Be here. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would take a chance on this channel and subscribe by turning that red button gray. And then you want to go all out and hit the notification bell to all notifications, and then you'll be notified when I upload. Comment down below. You gotta comment, enter me, because not everyone wants to enter giveaways. And the way that Random Picker is going to pick a comment randomly, I have to type in enter me. So you won't be entered if you don't write enter me on there. So definitely do that. You've got to be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. And there is official rules and dates on when this times it's going to end down in the description box below. It's going to start from the time that I upload this video, that it goes live, until the date I have listed in the box below. So you can like and comment and share me out, and that would be wonderful. You don't have other social media, you do not have to share me out. That is not a deal breaker for me. But that's really it. That's all you gotta do. Comment, enter me, like, be subscribed, give this channel a chance. Say hello if you're new. Tell me your favorite color, and I am wishing you all so much luck in this giveaway. Guys, I will be uploading again real soon. I will see you then. Bye!